Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening display settings so you control light quickly. Click Start or press the Windows key, then choose Settings and open System Display. This brings the display options up. Once done, make sure your account is signed in so settings save to your profile. You want to act now because eye protection settings live under display, so opening this page is the first actionable step toward reducing blue light and easing eye strain. You now enable eye protection, labeled night light in many builds, to shift color toward warmer tones. Toggle it on, then use the color temperature slider to reduce blue light. Warmer equals less strain. Once the slider feels comfortable, open Schedule and choose sunset to sunrise for automatic changes or set custom hours for your routine. This provides consistent relief and avoids forgetting to toggle it each evening. That consistency is why scheduling matters. You finish by refining quick access and handling issues. Pin eye protection to quick settings for one-tap control and test the toggle to confirm the color shift. If changes don't apply, restart your PC. Many display tweaks need a reboot to take effect. If problems persist, make sure graphics drivers and Windows are updated, because outdated drivers can block color adjustments. That single troubleshooting step, update drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.